international participants are IM Gorbanov, Andrei, Israel, FM Molinda Mersin, Poland, FM Severino Sander, Philippines, IM Abdochuk, Andrei, Fide, FM Valenta with Vaclav, Czech Republic, CM Samarth Rao, India, and FM Valang Venkata Krishna Karthik, the Asian Para Champion from India. Representing the host state of Goa, Mr. Sanjay Kavdekar and Mr. Amrut Naik are also likely to compete. This prestigious championship has received enthusiastic endorsement from renowned national and international personalities and reflects India's commitment to creating accessible, inclusive platform for the global sporting excellence. It resonates that the spirit of Purple Fest, Goa's internationally recognized celebration of the talent and achievements of persons with disabilities, highlighting the power of chess as unifying and empowering force. This is being named as Goa Purple 24th World IPCA Individual Chess Championship 2024, which is happening 2025, which is happening between July 21st to July 31, 2025 at the International Center, Goa at Dona Paula. So the government of Goa and the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disability, along with all the other organizations who have taken this initiative, the World Chess Federation, Internationally Physically Disabled Chess Association, Asian Chess Federations, All India Chess Federation, Chess Federation for Physically Disabled, and Paralympic Committee of India. So, in association with all these organizations, the government of Goa and the empowerment of persons with disability, along with the Commissioner for Persons with Disability, we have taken this initiative, the sports initiative. As you have seen, past few years we are organizing Purple Fest for empowering the persons with disabilities in sports, in education, in their economically to raise their economic standard, to give them the placements, and to bring them in the mainstream and get the best of the talent. They have a good potential, capacity, ability. They are skilled, they are talented. In order to get their sports talent, this initiative will work, and not only in Goa, it will bring name and fame for India. Thank you very much, and I request Mr. Sanjay Belurkar to kindly take over.
I request actually Bhaskaran sir to begin.
Good evening to one and all. First, I would like to thank to Honorable Minister for Empowerment of Persons with Disability, Shri Subhash Phal Dessai sir. With the due respect of our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawan ji, this Goa Purple 24 IPCA Individual World Championship is going to be happening in Goa under the chairmanship of Honorable Minister of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Shri Subhash Phal Dessai ji, and with the Government of Goa, Department for Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Office of State Commission for Persons with Disabilities, and Chess Federation for Physically Disabled, and Goa Chess Association for Persons with Disability. A special mention to here, Shri Guru Prasad Pawazar, Commissioner of Persons with Disability, and Srimati Varsha Naik, Director for Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, and Shitaga Ashik, Secretary of the State Commission. On behalf of Chess Federation for Physically Disabled, I am thankful to all personalities. Special invitees from other department also, other persons also, but not least the press peoples who are coming all over the way to cover this press meet for this event. Thank you all.